Trust in the process. In the first week that we started the MBA, that's one of the things that they told us. Trust in the process.
If you wouldn't mind, just give me one more clap.
My full name is Jac-Antoine Muntu-Caron, but everybody calls me Jac, and I'm from Montreal, Canada. I used to work in commercial banking. I loved it, but you know, you're 27, you're thinking about, am I gonna do this the rest of my life? Hey. The MBA is really a springboard, allowing you to decide, like, where do I want to go? One of the reasons why I chose Bayes, it is vibrant and dynamic. There was 50 of us, and I got to know everybody in my class. At the beginning, it was having a good time, like get to know your classmate, and I would say by the time that January hits, it became so hectic. You need to be ready to commit. Throughout the program, we had to choose like a couple of electives. I chose South Africa to see what it was like to do business in a very complicated environment. It gave me a perspective that I don't think I would have ever gotten. In the MBA, we do not have a thesis, we have the BMP. A BMP is a project that is applicable to a business problem, but that you need to do a research around. Mine was sourced by the school. I was working for an asset manager. The people that I worked with, incredibly generous with their time and insight. It's been a phenomenal experience. The Keras team were fantastic. I was working with Danny Tatton. Danny, I am so grateful. She's been helpful from the start. They were so invested in us. They make the parts that are normally really rough a bit smoother. It's been a fascinating year, a year full of changes, under fire constantly, and you're meeting new people. You're out of your depth on so many occasions, but it turns out that it was for the best. For the people that are considering Bayes MBA and they're not sure and they feel like it's a lot of hard work, just the process and you'll get up on top.